Hello students, good afternoon everyone. In this video we are going to learn something about median. Median is the central value of the variable that divides the statistical series into two equal parts in such a way that half of the items will be positioned above the median and remaining half of the values will be positioned below the median if the data is arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Let's try to understand the concept of median here. It is the central value. It lies in the middle of the statistical data. That's why we call it as a positional average, because of its position in the middle of the statistical data. Always the median lies in the middle of the statistical data only. On the other hand, arithmetic mean, it can be at any point in your statistical data. Either it can be in the beginning or it can be in the middle or in the ending also. But median value will always have its position in the central part of the data. So median is that value, that average which divides the statistical data into two equal parts. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಈ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ and the other part will be below the median, and the prerequisite condition for this is the data should be arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. ಆ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ you will come to see the beauty of median. So median is a central value, it is a part of central tendencies. We calculate three different values like mean, median and mode, and median is a most important value which divides the statistical data into two equal parts, and one part will be below the median and the other part will be above the median. This is possible only when the given statistical data is arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Let's take some example and see how to calculate the median. Let's proceed with the ungrouped data for the first time. Ungrouped data dalli median anna yav reeti calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Let us say we have the following series. They have given some individual series. Ungrouped data has been given to us. The numbers they have given is 15, 19, 21, 7, 10, 33, 25, 18 and 5. So, first and foremost thing we have to do when a problem is given to calculate a median, and if it is ungrouped data, if it is individual series, you should arrange the data either in ascending or in descending order. Ungrouped data nalli median calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ first thing what you are supposed to do is arrange the data in either ascending or descending. What do you mean by ascending? Starting from smallest number, then keep on increasing the numbers up to the highest number. On the other hand, descending numbers means start from the biggest number of the series and slowly decrease the numbers and go to the smallest number. So ascending number ಅಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ either in ascending ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ when grouped data is given for calculation of mean, ungrouped data, when ungrouped data is given for calculation of median, first thing you have to do is arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. So let us arrange this data in ascending order. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ the smallest number if you see 5. So let us begin from 5. Then after 5 which is the next biggest number? 7. So take 7. So 7 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next biggest number should be 10. Then after 10 you have 15, take the 15. Then you have 18. After 18 comes here 19, then you have 21, then 25 and 33. So that's the last number. So we have arranged the numbers in ascending order, and positional values of the numbers are very important. ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 5 is the first number, 7 is the second number, 10 is the third number, 15 is the fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, seventh, eighth and ninth numbers. ಅದರ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು the formula to calculate median is n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2. That is, n is the number of values, number of observations. n is the number of observations. So n plus 1 by 2 means, here just count the numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equals to 9. n plus 1 by 2 means you should be taking 9 plus 1 by 2. So 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2 is 5. So very carefully observe, 5 is not the median, 5 is not the median. Fifth number of the data, fifth item of the data is your median. So when you are getting n plus 1 by 2, that is the n plus 1 by 2th item will be the median in your problem. Now, so we got 5 means fifth item in the data should be our median. Now let's go to the data. So which is the first item? 5, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 18 is your fifth item in the data. That means 18 should be your median. 18 is your median. So median ನಾವು n plus 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಐಟಮ, ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಐಟಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು n plus 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 5 ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ 18 ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ take one more example to calculate median in ungrouped data only. So we have the following series. They have given the numbers like this. Now let us first arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending orderly. So let us say first number you have is 5, then 7, then you have 10 and 15, 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, 33. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ವರೆಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅರೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ n plus 1 by 2. ಸೊ n plus 1 by 2 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 items are there. That means 10 plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 is 10 plus 1 by 2. 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 2. You should be getting 5.5. 11 by 2. 11 by 2 divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5.5. That means 5.5th item is the median. 5.5th item is the median. Observe very carefully. If you get like 4th item is the median, or 5th item or 6th item, when you get a full whole number, that's easy to identify. But here you are getting point 5.5th item or 6.5th item or 8.9th item ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ how do you calculate? When you get 5.5th item, you should be taking the average of 5th and 6th items. 5.5 median ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ you should take the average of 5th and 6th item. ಸರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 4.5 ಬಂದರೆ 4th ಮತ್ತು 5th ಐಟಮಿನ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 7.5 ಬಂದರೆ 7th ಮತ್ತು 8th ಐಟಮಿನ ಆವ್ರೇಜು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? 7th ಐಟಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8th ಐಟಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 5.5 ಹಿಯರ್, That means 5.5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ fifth item plus sixth item divided by 2. Fifth item plus sixth item divided by 2. Let us see which is the fifth and sixth items here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth item is 18, sixth item is 19. So fifth item is 18 and sixth item is 19 divided by 2. That means 18 plus 19 is 37 divided by 2. You should be getting 18.5 should be your median. So what is the median? 18.5. Remember carefully. N plus 1 calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ if you get a full number, nothing to worry, that position of number should be the median in your question. But when you are getting 0.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 3.5 ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ you should be taking the average values of both the middle items. 3.5 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ third plus fourth item. 5.5 ಬಂದರೆ fifth plus sixth item. 8.5 ಬಂದರೆ 8th plus 9th item divided by 2. So that's the method we use for calculating median. Let's see one more small question here. When even number of values are given, find the median for following data. They are given numbers 5, 8, 12, 30, 18, 10, 2, 22. Arrange it in ascending order. Smallest number is 2, then 5, then 8, then 10, then 12, 18, 22, 30. Smallest number in the biggest number ge arrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Arrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we should go for n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. So what is the n here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 items. That means 8 plus 1 by 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. So 4.5 andre enu? Fourth item plus fifth item divided by 2. Which is the fourth item here? Fourth item is 10, fifth item is 12. Therefore 10 plus 12 by 2. 10 plus 12 by 2, that is 10 plus 2 is 22 divided by 2, that is 11. Median value is 11. So remember, when you are getting n plus 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, when you get points, when you get 0.5, like 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, you should be taking the average of that middle two items. Average of the middle two items. So I hope you understood calculation of median for ungrouped data. In my next video, we will see how to calculate median for grouped data.